This is the third generation of the Maruti Suzuki Swift, which is already available in our country. And now, this is the 2021 Swift that has been recently launched. The new Maruti Swift continues to adorn a very stylish and sporty design. It has now gained a more powerful engine with a greater fuel efficiency, slightly reworked looks, dual tone color options, and also some new features. Honestly, the tweaks are not very major in comparison to its predecessor, but there are quite a number of changes to speak of. We'll be soon doing a full-fledged review of this latest car, but for now, we'll be looking at how different it is from the previous model. Its front end might look similar, but look closely at both models and you will see the changes. The sportier looking front fascia now gets a bolder grille. It features a cross mesh design as against the previous horizontal line pattern seen on the older model. There's also a new sleek chrome bar placed at the center of the grille. This helps in adding an aesthetic effect to the new model. Save for these updates, the rest of the design remains unchanged. Interestingly, new dual tone color options have been announced apart from the standard color palette. So the previous 6 single tone options have been carried over. However, buyers can now choose from the additional 3 dual tone schemes as well. These are namely the Pearl Arctic White with Pearl Midnight Black roof, then the Pearl Metallic Midnight Blue with Pearl Arctic White roof, and then this, the Solid Fire Red with Pearl Midnight Black roof, as you can see here. Well, this is not a change that you will easily notice, but this model has grown marginally in terms of overall length. While the previous model stood at 3840 mm, the new Swift on the other hand now spans 3845 mm in length. Meanwhile, the other aspects like width, height and wheelbase have remained unchanged. With this year's update, the hatchback also gets a slightly more powerful engine. This is the 1.2 litre dual jet petrol engine that was introduced in the Dzire last year. It's still a 4-cylinder unit that has received some internal changes. As a result, the engine now delivers 90 PS or 89 bhp of maximum power and 113 Nm of peak torque. It is higher as compared to the older 83 bhp 1.2 litre K12 mill, even though the torque output remains the same. What's more, this model has also gained an idle start-stop feature for more fuel economy. However, on the transmission front, it retains the same 5-speed manual gearbox. Buyers looking for an automatic variant also have the option of the 5-speed AMT unit. Then comes the much asked question about what's its fuel efficiency. You'll be glad to know it has only improved. Thanks to the mechanical updates and an added start-stop feature, this engine now delivers a higher 23.2 kmpl of fuel economy. This is for the manual we've got here, and even the AMT version has a claim figure of 23.76 kmpl. From the records, the pre-facelift Swift was known to deliver a little lower 21.21 kmpl. Inside, the design and layout remains the same, but with the addition of some new features. Some noteworthy updates include new fabric upholstery, cruise control, and auto fold functionality for the ORVMs. In addition to that, there's also an updated instrument cluster with a color MID to differentiate it from the older model. Though this is the top spec ZXi Plus model that we are looking at, we are told the lower VXi trim also gets a feather touch stereo added. This unit continues to get Bluetooth, USB and aux connectivity. Meanwhile, The rest of the feature list along with all the safety equipment has been carried over as is. And to remind you of all the kit on the fully loaded model, there's this 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Maruti's Smart Play Studio mobile app. Then a rear view camera, automatic climate control, LED headlamps, alloy wheels and many more. As an overall proposition, the new Swift only adds more value to what was already an interesting package. Yes, the prices are now slightly up over the outgoing model, but with prices ranging from Rs 5.73 lakh to Rs 8.41 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, it is still a good competitor to the Ford Figo and its prime rival, the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. If you would like us to do more such videos, do let us know in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe to the Carvale channel.